Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I do have the Marshall Willen II speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily update the software in your application of the speaker. So once you have entered this application, which is called the Marshall Bluetooth, you will see a firmware update available if you have some firmware updates pending. You have to tap that, and here you have to tap update firmware. And what you're gonna do now is just wait. Don't do anything, don't exit the application, don't play music. Try just to wait with the application opened. Now, as you can see, the process of the uploading firmware to device is almost finished, and in a moment the installation process will begin, which will take some time. Now, as you can see, the firmware is up to date. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!